In this one, I am going to explain you about the second problem with corner resting. So here is the same thing, the problem that what we are seeing, the same manner of the one, the pentagonal prism. It was with edge resting. So right now, here we are seeing about with its corner resting. So first of all, if we go through with the question, a pentagonal prism of base edge 30 mm and axis 60 mm rest on its corner in the HP, and the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. Draw its projections when the base is resting on corner. So this is the one, that basic picture that what it's supposed to be. So I'm just showing you that how will be the basic shape. So first, just we need to clarify by writing by ourselves only. First stage and second stage. Second stage. Here I am mentioning it here to what it is. So what it has been said for us, the axis is inclined. Axis inclined at 45 degrees to HP. So obviously what happens? The axis is perpendicular to HP. Remember, axis is perpendicular to HP. When axis is perpendicular to HP, so where will be the base? Base is on HP. And then afterwards, we need to check it out what it is. Either the edge resting or corner resting. So it is mentioned for us, it is a corner resting. Base is on HP and corner resting. So this is the one that what we need to do. So here, to check out. So once again, I'm just showing you the pictures of that one with the base HP. Base is on HP with corner resting. So this is a picture. So among here, we are just seeing these are all about the prisms and these are the pyramids with corner resting only. So this is a picture that what we are seeing. So he said for us, pentagonal prism. So this is the one. So here which supposed to be resting on the corner, we need to draw this basic shape in the first stage with whatever the axis mentioned for us with so and so height. So now I am going to draw this shape as the first stage. As if you see here, the axis is perpendicular to HP. This is a HP and this is a VP. So here it is perpendicular to, this one is perpendicular to HP. And that one you are getting it here, and we need to mention those pictures right now. So now I am drawing the basic image. Draw the vertical projections to VP. And also meanwhile locate the center point also as described in the earlier methods. So this is my center point O1, O2, and give the labeling as according to your convenient. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, E, 5. So draw the projection lines. So the axis height is given for us. The axis height is given for us is around 60 mm. So draw the height. First, draw the axis. So the base we are giving with alphabetical order: A dash, B dash, here is O2 dash, C dash, E dash, D dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, O1 dash, 3 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash. The same manner, just you need to tilt this axis portion inclined at 45 degrees. So this is my first stage. Now I need to proceed for the second stage. First stage is done. Now I'm going for the second stage. Now over here at the point, just mark one point. Just measure an angle of 45 degrees. Now, first initially draw one line at an angle of 45 degrees. So this is the one, the axis what it is mentioned for us is as an angle of 45 degrees. Now, what did he mention that even at the time of inclination, the solid will be resting on its corner point only. So here is a corner point what it is resting, which will be tilted at an angle of 45 degrees. Now measure the distance from the axis to that of this corner point. It's around like 2.4. So similarly I have said, this is your drafter scale, keep it parallel here and measure the distance of 2.4 where it gets. Yeah. So actually this will be perpendicular. The line should be perpendicular. That's the thing you need to keep it in mind. And from the axis point, measure the distance. From axis, you need to measure this distance and you need to extend the line from here. So it's around like 2.1. Extend the line, 2.1. And then afterwards from here to here, measure the distance. It's around 0.9. So it will be down of the axis in this inclination. So here. Similarly, draw the line inclinely, parallel to axis. And close this edge and draw this edge line. And this is the one that what you cut it the lines. So here is O1 dash, O2 dash, A dash, B dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 5 dash, C dash, E dash, and this is a corner point resting here is D dash, 4 dash. Similarly, now drop the vertical lines from each and every point of the base and as well as from the top also. And similarly draw the horizontal lines. Now identify the marking points. So here from A dash to A, this is A, next B dash, B, C dash, here it is C, here is the point E and this point is D. Similarly here for the numerical also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first draw the basic outline picture of this one. So you can easily mark by drawing the basic outline. You can easily draw the invisible portion and the visible portion very easily. By looking at that picture only you can able to define. as explained to you in the earlier problem only, the same manner, from above the axis line, the points which are above the point, the portion that one will be visible. So here, the thing is that in the case, you need to keep it in mind, in the case of the corner resting, the line which is on the corner point which is resting on the reference line, and that visible edge will not be, that edge will be not be visible. So that one we need to look at that. So first we need to identify and draw the basic outline. So what we have done in the previous problem, the same manner. So the visible edges we need to draw. C2, 3. So when you see it from the top view, it is visible. And the corner, this one is visible. And the base one, so this is the final image of the picture. Thank you.